There you go. That's the secret to marriage. Ice down the pants. That's a horrible, horrible bit of advice. Happy Monday, everybody. I've got some volume going in on my hair. I just clipped it back. I know. So I need to make this bed. I need to do lots of laundry. And probably take care of the kids. That would probably be good if I did that too. So, welcome to the day. All right, y'all, it's that time. I'm going through the children's... No. She's trying to take the hair out. Look at that baby. I'm going through the kids' rooms. We're in Sophie's. And we are not just cleaning, but we are actually... I have a box that I'm using for
what did you cook?
Garage sale and donations. Okay guys, so we're in line to pick up Sophia. And I was like kind of running last minute, so literally I pulled my hair up like that and I put on mascara. That's it. Oh well, that's just how it is. I've got so much cleaning done today though. I was feeling good. I got the entire downstairs clean and I got started. I have like a lot of laundry because I didn't do laundry on my normal laundry day. So got that going and I got a ton of stuff cleared out of Sophia's bedroom. So feeling productive. It's awesome. So look what we just had happen. Literally ran into my room just to pee and this happened. That. And she's mad at me. She has the nerve to be mad at me because she got in trouble. We don't even keep crayons out, but she found a crayon in a coloring book. So someone had that out. You can be frustrated. I know. So you're gonna hear her grumping in the background. She didn't nap today. So she's irritable and she got in trouble. And now she wants Mickey Mouse. But it's not TV time, so she's not happy. Gotta show you guys what I got her though. I got this on eBay. I don't even think it's ever been worn. But it's missing the type, so I got it for like $5. Look at this. For Halloween, we always go to like the Zoo Boo and pumpkin patches. And it's a haunted house little, look how cute that is, y'all. And look at the original price tag on it. Here's the brand, Blueberry Boulevard. And it said the retail is $24.99 for it's this plus tights. And like I said, it didn't have the tights with it anymore, but it's too hot. We wouldn't wear the tights here anyway. I'll just put little like black shorts under it. It's okay. I know. It's okay. Look at that baby. It's okay. She didn't even get in that much trouble, y'all. She's just tired. When they're tired, everything is magnified. You want water? She wants Mickey Mouse. I just wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. It's a little hot house. I thought that was unique. Can I hold you? Want Mama to hold you? She doesn't know. She doesn't know. All right, let me take care of this little wonder. Audrey's down for her nap. Hopefully she'll sleep. I just wanted to Sophie, look how pretty her hair is. She's got this pretty braid. Did it stay?
Show my doll's new dress.
Your doll's new dress. Oh yeah, her American Girl got a new dress, y'all. All right, here it is. Sophia got to bring her to school today. So, it's a beautiful dress. Audrey, we just got her up from her nap because it's getting late and she's so sad. And she did not want daddy. She just wanted mama. So I was trying to serve dinner and she was like, no. Yeah, mama's got that baby. So we got dinner served, but oh, she doesn't want to see herself like that. Okay. My shirt's getting used as a snot tissue. That's okay. I know it. She keeps telling us everything that happened. This poor girl. Yeah. I don't like waking up to Daddy's face either.
I got one that looks like.
Poor baby.
I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat
I got one that
or sit down. Oh. You want to sit on Mama's lap for dinner? Yeah, thanks, honey. So we found the only thing that would calm her down, and what is it?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. That's it.
She's happy to stuff her face with it.
In Mama's lap.
Eating it.
I was not. Yeah, she was eating it with her eyes closed.
Like you
She will not leave Mama's lap, will she, Kyle?
No,
That was not happening. This doesn't bode well for tonight. Let's not run out of broccoli though, because. Were you doing good, Sophie?
Yeah.
You doing good, Gray?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
First, same as with us.
Eyes and ears and nose and nose.
Why did the eyes closed the whole time? What's crap is you? You just go play in the game room.
3 more kids to find
Wait,
until
but
I'm
listen,
five.
before you go play in the game room,
I'll tell
I
you in
need
your
you to go put and all that.
What? Okay, he wants a piece of chocolate. I gave Audrey a little piece of chocolate. Audrey, did Sophie eat really good? She did like it. I had a new crock pot meal we did today. It went over well. It wasn't like my absolute favorite dish ever. Sophie, I've got one for you. A little square of chocolate.
Yay! I'm coming. Yay!
Oh, really?
Really?
Really? Now she's, yay! The chocolate did it. Dude, you guys, Audrey ate so much, didn't she, Kyle? She woofed down like so much broccoli that then she started taking mine. And then she started eating the chicken, the main dish. I mean, she just ate a ton. Uh-oh, we're out. She still looks like this. Audrey's happier. So Audrey just had a massive, messy poop, and Kyle handed her to me. And I didn't know she'd had one of these. So now it's on my arms. Thank you, Kyle. Kyle said he'd share the love. Well, come on. That was not cool. That was so not cool. Not cool. She just had a bath too. Dang it. Oh, she wants Mama more than she wants milk.
She was crying for you. That's why I brought her.
She's crying for me. I'll come up with her for a little bit.
At least she didn't change her diaper seriously. Like she's just like kind of not happy with Daddy doing this right now.
Mama.
She wants to go night-night. She asked me to go night-night and then started crying.
That took some magic to get Audrey asleep, but it is done. Kyle went to the store, and now we're gonna put up groceries and clean up from dinner because we haven't done that because everything was crazy town. Hi, Kyle.
Hello.
How was the store?
You know what? It's funny. On Sunday nights,
Yeah.
all dudes. Tuesday nights, bunch of housewives.
When I went last week, it was no. There was only guys and me.
Yeah.
But it was like dads and grandpas.
I mean like dads. Like.
Yeah, the dads apparently go shopping late at night for the most part, and then it was me. We kind of like alternate grocery shopping.
It was the housewife.
It's easier to do without kids, so. But last week I did it, and yeah, it was like mostly fellas.
See, for me, it was literally the opposite. There were like
It was opposite.
8 people in the store today, and 7 of them were girls and me.
They were probably like, "What are you doing here, mister?
Hey,
This is our time.
this is Monday night.
This is our time, pervert." Oh, really? Kyle, you bent over right as I called you a pervert, and you flashed me some crack.
Good. You're welcome.
There was nothing good about it. It's traumatizing. No! He's gonna mess with me now. Ugh, but I can mess with him more. You guys want to know how you stay married for 10 years? This is how. I dominate him with my pinchy. No, ice down my shirt. I'll put it down your pants. Don't try me, you know I will.
It's funny because it's true.
It's funny because it's true. He knows.
And she'll do it like when I'm like not expecting it at all. Like,
I'm
like
dead
here
at
we're
it.
like playing, we're like, oh, like haha.
It'll be like 3 hours later and bam, he'll feel the ice.
I'll just wake up in the dead of the night.
There you go. That's the secret to marriage. Ice down the pants. That's a horrible, horrible bit of advice.
It might work. It's worked for us. Don't knock it till you tried it. So.
I wish y'all could come put these groceries up for us and clean up our dinner plates. That'd be nice. I'm just saying. No, they're probably like, you guys didn't invite us to dinner, so no. They've got a point. Y'all have a point.
It's true.
Jack's like, they didn't invite me to dinner either. I had to sit on the floor next to the table and it was horribly sad. And now all I want is a pepperoni. Or a turkey stick.
Shit.
Oh, turkey stick. That's what he wants.
Want a turkey stick?
Come on, Daddy, I'll show you where they're at. They're over here. They're in the fridge. There, right there. That's what he does too. Oh, Daddy, I love turkey sticks. These are actually like our turkey
What are you
sticks.
gonna do for it? What are you gonna do?
He's gonna be adorable.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna walk. Walk. Okay, that's good. Let him have it. Aw, Dad's a good boy.
Happy Monday.
I think I said that this morning.
Oh, you did?
I think I was like, Happy Monday. I don't
It was a
remember what I
happy
said this
Monday.
morning. I don't remember. I have no recollection. But I am gonna say goodnight. Good night, guys. If you need some grocery shopping done, just ask Kyle. It's his week to do it, so.
I know.
So
That's the thing is like once you do it on Monday, within like 2 days you'll be like, we need more.
something always
We
runs out.
forgot to get the.
On your way home from work, will you pick up the yak's milk? Or something. We don't really buy yak's milk. I'm just
Are you sure?
making. Now that I've
Maybe
said
we
that.
should.
Tomorrow I've got to clean the walls where Audrey drew on them. All right. Did you leave the garage door open?
I did.
Because I can hear the wee. All right. Night, guys. The buzzing stopped. What was it? What was it? What? Was it that bike?
It was the phone on the freaking bike. We were going up because we assumed it just had to be up.
It was that?
We put our ear down.
People said it was a asked if it was a toy.
And I said no because that's where all the.
And we,
have a
you
bunch of
guys,
toys.
we looked at the. We have some toys in here for the garage sale.
forgot.
We looked at the toys.
And you know what's so funny? I swear, and you can
Cancel
verify
the
this.
electrician.
You can verify this. It sounded like it was all over the garage.
Yeah,
It
no,
did
I
not-
told
like-
them it was circular.
Like-
You guys don't understand. We tripped the circuit breakers. We checked the drill that's plugged in.
It
We
was like-
checked
and
a
you know what?
bucket
It's
full
because
of
this was full.
toys.
Okay, so yeah,
How
that's
did you
I found-
figure it out?
Well, I was gonna go try to pull.
I told Kyle to come and to unplug the garage lights because they're actually plugged in to
Yeah.
get power. I don't know if I can catch it, but so continue.
Well, so I pulled this. I couldn't quite reach. I was like, I'll just step up on this and then onto the watch. You know, I'm just gonna use
Oh,
it
that's
as a-
smart. I'll just step onto the bike.
Well, it's funny because I was actually like pulling it over and then I decided I wasn't gonna do it.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, that's a little too unsafe. So I was just gonna hop up there and just do it myself and everything. Then as soon as I did it, all of a sudden the noise changed when I pulled this over because it was like, it like changed a little. It just like, and I was like, I figured out, turn it off.
So do you think the lightning did set it off?
No, maybe the vibration.
Well, you guys,
Because the lightning hit so close.
we
I bet
had
it
lightning
shook it.
strikes right
In the-
in this vicinity, and they actually at like 4 in the morning turned on toys in our game room, and Kyle had to the vibration from the thunder and the being so close, and Kyle had to go turn them off, and that's the same morning that we heard the noise. And y'all, we checked toys. I did at least. We checked. Okay. Here's the bike. I checked stuff in there and couldn't tell it was coming from there.
That's what I mean.
It was, it made the weirdest noise.
For 2 days now.
Well, I came out and walked the whole dang garage looking for it.
And I just kind of I was assumed it was like some weird ground fault up inside the wiring up there. I was like.
We were worried. We were all like, we gotta get an electrician out. I was like, I hope it doesn't cause a fire. What is going on?
Indistinct.
And not just us, the kids couldn't, I mean, you know, their hearing's better and they couldn't figure out it was coming from
The
there.
perfect resonation.
It was.
It must have been like a really good residency here in the room.
Yeah.
It sounded loud over there and over there.
The resonation he was saying must have just been like, had to have been the perfect spot. Cause yeah, you would walk to one area and you would hear it and then you'd walk across the room and it would sound just as loud. It had to have just been hitting. I'm so glad it's not something worthy.
Yeah.
I was like so worried about it.
I was like, it's so funny.
Cancel the electrician.